What does everyone think of my sexy look?
Hello, my name is Z and I'm from Men's. What's so funny, Scarlett?
The Deluxe Digital Studios logo fucking itself up.
Scarlett, seriously? I'm gonna be the flyest bitch in this place!
Rankin Mass. The company they made is Frosty the Snowman, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and other stuff.
Oh no, is the high-tech video logo? I think I'm about to have an heart attack.
Now look what you did, high-tech video. You just made my girlfriend have a heart attack. Thanks a lot, you scary logo.
Take this, high-tech video.
Now I can check if she's okay or not. Scarlett, are you alright? Speak to me, Scarlett.
Did you get the license of that truck?
We might take Scarlett to the place where her and Lavender are at.